Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to reset system settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here at the very bottom of the list you will see backup and reset. Go to this tab. And now choose factory data reset. Here the first icon is reset system settings, so if you would like to perform such reset, just tap on this icon. Now you have to enter your password and one more time confirm that you would like to do it, because this reset cannot be undone. So if you're sure that you would like to do it, just tap on reset system settings. One more time and give your device a few seconds to perform it. That's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.